Welcome back to our channel. Hello, question 28 is about ratio of area in 1H N and out. So you remember it's about the structure, about how many number of hydrogen environment and how many number of hydrogens in each environment. Pentane phi on. So it's a ketone. So join it out first. Okay, 5C. Okay, 5C, and the third one has double bond O, so the other should be H, 1H, 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 okay, on the left hand side, and then H for the second one, low H for the third one, and then symmetric, 2H, and then 3H. So by symmetry, can you see how many hydrogen environment? Not four. These four hydrogen has the same environment, right? Symmetry, okay. And then the other, I use the other color, okay. The other six hydrogen by symmetry, they have the same hydrogen environment. Okay, so the area should be 4 to 8, 6. Of course, simplify is still to 3, okay? One environment has 4 hydrogen, the other has 6, so it should be 2 to 3 or 3 to 2, the same, okay? So the answer is D. Got it? Well done. See you.